Welcome back to the Silly Kitchen. Today I want to take you through a quinoa fried rice with turkey. So turkey quinoa fried rice. So I've seen lots of fried rice recipes out there, and I've been reading a lot more about heart health and gut health, and you know, as we get older we have to focus on some of those things. So I really wanted to try using quinoa in more recipes and getting some great quality protein in there as well with some lean turkey. So this recipe is really great. It tastes amazing, easy to put together, and I wanted to share it with you in case you're looking for some really great healthier options for your dinner time. Now, one thing is that I have cooked my quinoa ahead of time, and I like to cook it in batches so that I can use most of it for this recipe and then even have a little bit in a storage container in the fridge if I want to make a quick salad bowl and add some of that into it. The one tip I will give you before we get started is that when you're cooking your quinoa and you're following the instructions, a lot of the instructions say to use water, but I highly recommend vegetable or chicken stock when cooking it, because you're just gonna get a nice load of flavor in there that you don't get with water. Oh, and also fluff your quinoa with a fork. Don't use a spoon, it gets really mushy. I've made that mistake. So let's head over to the stovetop. We're gonna get cooking, and I'm gonna show you how to layer this all together to make it delicious. I've got my pound of ground turkey in my frying pan, and I'm going to separate it all up into little chunks, and then I'm gonna add my diced onions, and my turkey is only partially cooked, so I'm sweating those onions out while it's cooking with the turkey to really start building all that flavor. Then I'm gonna add a nice spoonful of grated ginger, red pepper, the bottom of green onions, some red cabbage, edamame beans, and give it a really good stir, and everything is starting to just cook together and come together. I'm gonna hit it with some pepper, not salt, just pepper, and I'm gonna add in my cooked quinoa to this mixture next. Out of focus, I know, but we are adding soy sauce, so that's where we're getting that saltiness and why I didn't add salt. That's it. That comes together so easily, so beautifully. It smells delicious, and for the finishing touch, I've got one more little ingredient. Let's add some green onion on top. Now, I don't even know if you guys would call this a fried rice type dish. Call it whatever you want it. I call it healthy and delicious. One thing that you might be thinking is, where's the egg? Doesn't fried rice have eggs? Yep, and I've tried it. I've tried the egg and cracking it into this, and it just doesn't have the right texture for me. But what I do love to do is I love to add a fried egg on top of my portion of this, and a little bit of hot sauce as well. I love that type of combination with this dish. Delicious, healthy, yummy, beautiful, colorful. It's only right that I get a taste, don't you think? It's hot. It's so good. I'm gonna go fry an egg, put it on top, and get eaten. Thanks so much for watching this episode of The Silly Kitchen. I hope this makes it to your table soon. Hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment, let's chat food, and I will see you again soon.